Start.
Hello guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Samir Pinjari. Me along with Harsh Chudasama, Yash Bhanushali have prepared computer stock management system. We are the members of BitByte Squad under the program Hectics Hackathon. For this project we have used HTML, CSS and JavaScript for front end and PHP for backend. And for database we have used MySQL. So here is our login page. Only authorized users can log in into the system. So this is our home page of our project. In the sidebar, we can see various tabs like Home, Master, Equipment, Manage User, Activity Log, Sign Out, Contact. So on clicking on the Master tab, inside that there are tabs related to the 7 labs already added. Now if we click on Lab 1, here we are working on how to display the lab 1 data on the screen from database, but for now we can see the data into the MySQL database. So here we can add the product like serial. First we need to add the serial name, serial number, brand, cost, name of the brand and the date of purchase. Now on clicking submit button, first we need to description, and on clicking submit button the product is added into the database. Now on clicking activity log, we can keep track of last 10 activities done by the authorized users like add, remove, etc. along with the exact time and date. Now in equipment tab we have 4 options: computer, projector, laptop and printer. Now on clicking printer, here we can display all the printers present in all the labs. Now if we click on manage users, we can add the user to whom we want to give the authority to access this system. So we need to add email, password, username, etc. And on clicking on add, the user is successfully added into the database. So here we can see all the users of our system. Here the password of the system, for the password of the user we have used hash function to make the password in encrypted form. Now we can also remove the user from our system. We need to add the email and the password, and on clicking delete, the user is successfully deleted from the system. We can also see that in the database. So you can see the user is deleted from the database. Now on clicking contact, you can also contact us by clicking on the mail icon here for any queries related to this system. And at last we can sign out from our system also. Thank you so much.